You can integrate checklists with your Jira workflows by creating post functions and validators. This video will show you how to create a post function that modifies the checklist. To create post functions that interact with checklists, ensure that the Save Local Checklist Items to Jira Custom Fields global setting is enabled. To modify a checklist when an issue is transitioned, navigate to Project Settings, Workflows. Click on the pencil icon and select Diagram Mode. Click on the appropriate transition. Click Post Functions. Click Add Post Function. Select Update Issue Custom Field and click Add. Select the checklist text custom field and paste in a formatted checklist. Use the Append Values checkbox to indicate if you want to append new items or replace the existing checklist. Click Add. Publish the edited workflow. The new items will be appended to the checklist when the issue is transitioned. Visit HeroCoders.com for more examples of how you can use checklists in Jira.